Hey, Spy 2, check it out. I got 2 trucks, bro. You feel me? That's the beast right there. So you see that lumber? That's all Minimax side. Down at the far end is me too, but let me show you right here. So this lumber right here, this is what I offload from the trailers. So I just right now, about 7 minutes ago, finished that one, cleaned it out. He just plugged himself up in there, so he's gonna take that one out of there. This one just came in, but this one's gonna get pin locked because there's no more room anywhere in the warehouse to put this. So after I take out these boards right here, I already got the paperwork. I'm gonna go around, pin lock it on the front. That way nobody can jack it. And that's it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come outside. Yo, you can wear a sweater today, man. It's nice outside, bro. For real. So there he go, taking off the container right there. And that's it. Let's chill out for a bit until something else come in. Black on black, always looking crispy. What's up, YouTube? Snoopy Eats 408 back again, and I'm excited for this because I made some of my favorite food, which is ribs. Now, I love my ribs barbecued, but I wasn't trying to barbecue when I made this tonight, so I just seasoned it simple with salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and then I cut up an onion with a little bit of grapeseed oil, blended it up, marinated it, and then I hit it with my big homeboy AB's special spicy barbecue sauce that he sent me, that I've been graciously wearing out. And so I already licked all my fingers from the sauce from like putting on the display right here, but let me tell you, man, this thing smells amazing, and I'm about to get it in. So I didn't really have no sides, so I just got some cucumber and ranch dressing on there. So I candy coated it, but I'm gonna also hit it with some of the sauce that's raw like this. So let's get that drizzle, yo. Whoa. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna eat this, and it's like a review for AB sauce. I got some Coke, ice cold Coke to chase it with, and we just get it in. Snoopy Eats ribs with AB's spicy barbecue sauce and a candy coat. Let's try it out. These are beef ribs, y'all. It's so rich and so flavorful. And just imagine if I let that sit in the marinade for like about another hour. Hey, B, this sauce is banging, bro. Either over here or over here, I'll put his link in. Smokin and Grillin with AB. Sauce is amazing. It's got a nice kick to it. I cooked these ribs perfect too. A little over an hour in the oven. 350. Turned it, what, twice? Yum, yum, yum. I don't think I had or made beef ribs since my last video. Last homemade beef video. These are proper. AB sauce is screaming, boy. So about 40 minutes into the cooking process, it was like nice and brown already, right? So turned it over and let the other side cook like about 15 minutes and turn it back over again. So when it was almost done, the last 10-15 minutes of cooking, I glazed it on a good coating of the barbecue sauce from AB on all the ribs, put it back, let it cook for like another 15 minutes, and then drop the heat and let it sit there. And then the sauce just like got super thick and just like coated the ribs. So that's what I did there, and I just drizzled on some extra. Candy ribs. This was so simple to make. Can you imagine if I really like hooked it up, and then grilled it? I'd enter Rib Fest. This rib is bomb. This video is just gonna be visual and sounds, y'all. And shout out to AB and Colorful Camille, man. Happy anniversary. Yeah. I ain't saying nothing. This is good. That part right there is all flavor. So good. Man, that's it. I just want to review the sauce and eat some ribs with y'all. Got the mic going, so for my ASMR heads out there and just mukbangers in general that love the sounds, I hope those sounds were clear for y'all. And those beef ribs were friggin' amazing, cooked perfectly. And that sauce from AB, barbecue sauce right here, AB's Grill Master Series, AB's Grill Master Series spicy barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna connect with him and see if we can get more of this. And if you guys want to purchase it, I think he sells it, so I'll find out from him. But anyway, I'll drop his link and let him know about it. But it's a very tasty sauce, y'all. Hope you like this video. But not that much talking, no story time, just simply reviewing the sauce. All right, so until next time, stay blessed. I love y'all. Peace.